Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Welcome to our this series of videos in which we are showing you how you can use a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet as a front end, and on the back end it can get connected to it can get you connected with some database. We have used Microsoft Access as a backend database, but you can use it for other databases like SQL Server or MaxDB or SAPDB and or JD Edwards or Oracle or whatever, right? So Excel is very powerful in communicating with the database, sending the SQL and through ADODB. ADODB is it's a tool to provide you connectivity to the other sources of databases and pass on the commands to the database. These commands may select the data for your record sets, and then you start working on it, and then you can make for the whole dashboard to report to generate the report on the basis of that data which you have in the database. And the ADODB also provides not only the extraction, but you can create new tables. You can alter the tables. You can execute the stored procedures, or you can write the procedures, stored procedures in. And the VBA and ADODB collectively, they allow you to create a dashboard and to create the charts for the users, etc. Right. So we have used Microsoft Access, and it's a simple application. As an example, we are saying you that we are showing you how you can use Microsoft Access as a backend, and the example is that uh, you have activities on daily basis which are mandatory. You have to perform, as the Muslims have the mandatory activity. What that they have the six prayer, 5 + 1, 6. Prayers to be then performed regularly. So there is no exception. Means if you are sick, okay, then you can perform it while laying, while sitting on the bed, and while so that has to be performed. If you have missed it, so this becomes not forgiven, but it is on your part. Means it has to be performed some other day or so that backlog is rising for every adult Muslim. So the similarly is you can use this now for any purpose, for any day-to-day activities which you have, and you can use this system, which requires you not only that your regular activities which are supposed to be done on every day. So apart from that, you have to clear the backlog. You have to clear the backlog, and you can use this factor, that how quickly, the higher is this number per day performance, so the quicker will you clear the backlog of these overdue, right? So, and this has to be means that for this we have made the things easy for the user, for the prayer, the man who is performing the prayer, or the person who is performing the activities. So all he need to do is as soon as he click OK, go here. So what it does, it says they're ready to add 5 records for what, for 11th of August, right? Because until yesterday you have to. While I'm clicking it here, it means I have already performed those 5 mandatory activity which were from the overdue one, and apart from the daily activity, daily prayers, 6 prayers. We have 5 mandatory prayers: Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, and Isha. Yeah. So 5, you can take it as activities. Muslims can take it as a mandatory prayers to be performed. These have to be performed, right? I mean, plus one is the bit. Means that is 6. I mean, so. Uh, don't confuse that 6 with this 5. This 5 is not. This is 5 days backlog is my rate. I clear on daily basis 5 days backlog. That is equivalent to 5, 6, 30 prayers daily, right? Okay, so you can use your own rate, which is feasible for you. So when I click yes, look at here, until 8th of August 1978 was the backlog, which was done on 10th of August. Now on 11th from 9th of August onwards, from 9th of August 1978, and you will see then the marking is done. You see? So it has done this. Okay, so we have to make sure that this is auto fit. We will include it in the auto fit so that this is a it should look nice. Okay, um, so uh, so one command is required that we auto fit this reason. That's right. Okay, so from 9th of August, 5 days prior were performed on 11th of August. And that not only this, but these figures are also updated. Until yesterday, it was 108,006. Now 6 are more added to become due. So that is 108,012. That's right. And we so the 6 were added, right? So 6 prayers were added again. So that makes 532, and the overdue is still 42,480. Now, if I want to add more, I won't be allowed to add, because on the 12th of August, today is the 12th of August, that this has to be, this figure has to be less than yesterday. Means yesterday was less than or equal to, right? So 11. So until the 12th of August becomes yesterday, so this is going to allow. So this is a restriction we have applied just to make sure that no post-dated entries are done, only real and actual factual data is being done right here. Yes, one thing you can do, you can roll back until a certain date and do it again. Okay. For example, today is 12th of August, and so we have until 11th of August done. Okay. So what we do here, that we say, just suppose until say 5 of August, 5th of August, we want to redo, roll back it. Because I'm consistent, so there's no problem with me, and we can do it again quickly in front of you so that you can see that how it is done. Okay, so since you have a date in here, and clicking go will switch us to the rollback immediately. Ready to roll back until 5th of August? Fine, you say yes. So this is the on. So until the 5th of August, so this is all the what was performed is now not performed. So that's why this no is showing not performed, right? These are not performed until the last. So if you click now, if you remove this from here and you click go, so what it would do, you will see this will start to be the 5th of August. 5th of August, right? We say on 5th of August, and since we have put a no here, so no chart will come. Otherwise, if you put yes, then a chart would also come, right? So this is the 5th of August, right? And what else? Next is we click on 6th of August, okay? And this is on 7th of August. This is on 8th of August. So we are actually writing to the backend database, and these are the entries being made that you have cleared the backlog of these Salah, which was actually due in 1978, but you did it on 9th of August, right? Okay. Yes. 10th of August. And this is the last one, that is the 11th of August, right? So this is how you do, right? And let's see the procedure which is working on it, which is in the backend, means what are the code logic used in here. So this we can, yeah, so this is the same function which we showed you in our previous video. So that this is a function which gets you connected with the Access database through the ADO-DB connection. And once it is connected, then you can pass on a command. You can create a command. You can mention which type of command it is. And if it is and you can also set up a data table. Right. This is a command is the command is the table. So you are opening the complete table that is a master, that is named as master. If you see the Microsoft Access table, so there is a table called master. Yeah. If you see, let it come, and yeah, here it is. Here it is, the Microsoft Access, and you see this date. This is the database. This is the table which is being referred to in our code, right? And this is how it is being updated, right? And if you see, so the master table, this master, which is mentioned in here, that RST is the ADODB record set, which is first of all set. And before it is defined as in with a dim command, and then it is set, and then while opening, then you have to mention which table you want to open or query. All right. So this is the table which you have, and then it is going to find out that what is the last for the selected user. The selected user is based on our sheet. If you see the sheet, so this is the user reference that is uh, that is placed in your table. If you see the table, so this is the user reference, right? So it is checking. So the SQL which is being mentioned here in the SQL, you say the where the username is, user ID is this, right? So in the master, yeah, here you are saying that if the user is equal to, yeah, so user by adding it the record, so that until the date is less than or equal to yesterday, the new records are not only added, but all the prayers, or you can say the activities which are due are marked due, and the performed are marked as performed, because this is with the this is the system policy that from now onwards the user of this database is supposed to perform his day-to-day activity regularly. So it is taken for granted that it is being performed. The the purpose of this database is to tell you where are you standing in terms of clearance of the backlog, the overdue. So this will tell you we have our brothers who have overdues of years and years of the prayers which are missing, and so they need some. So this is going to be a service for them. As well as for those who want to use it for any other activity. So they, with a slight amendment, with a slight customization, you can use the same approach to the people working in a laboratory environment. They have certain must perform activities on daily basis, so and they have to be carried on daily basis, and if there is a backlog, so that has also to be performed. So this is an example of the VBA and use of database, that how you can use the database while using Microsoft Excel as on front end, and to manage it, and to clear your backlog, and focus what is means due for you, and where are you standing. If you say yes here, so next time what would it do? It will display the chart as well, right? It will display the chart. Yeah, the 42480. What is it? This is the overdue. So the sooner this gray part goes away, so it would be better. And so this chart tells you where are you standing and how long you have to do it. I mean, I hope you liked it. Thank you very much for watching.